Dear students, let us continue with the same chapter, chapter 3, and topic is division of large numbers. I will give you some problems. First problem is 32,967 divided by 24. That we can do. 32,967 divided by 24. Sometimes you don't know 24's multiplication table, right? At that moment you need to take 24 into 2, 24 into 3 is what in the working column, right? Is it clear? First the divisor is 24 and first number is 3. 3 is less than 24. So I need to consider two digits together. That is what 32. 24 into which number equals 32? 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are, that is 48. That's why we need to take 24 ones are 24. After that we need to subtract. And 2 minus 4, it is not possible because smaller number minus bigger number is not possible. So I need to borrow 1 from here. It should become 2 and it will become 12. Then 12 minus 4 is what? 8. 2 minus 2 equals 0. For the division, each and every step we need to take one digit down. The next digit is what? 9. I need to put one arrow, then write 9 here. Then it will become 89. 24 into which number equals 89? That we can do it in the working column. Okay. And 24 into 3 equals what? 24 twos are 48. 24 threes are 4 threes are 12. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1 72. That is 24 threes are 72. Then we need to check 24 into 4. 24 fours are what? 4 fours are 16. 6 1. 1 is carry over. Then 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1 96. We got these two numbers, right? 24 threes are 72 and 24 fours are 96. Which one you need to take? Which number you need to take? 72 only, right? 72 is less than 89. 96 is greater than 89. So I need to take what? 72. Then 24 into which number equals 72? 24 into 3 equals 72. After that we need to subtract. Okay. Then subtract 7, then 1. 17 only, right? Then next step, for the next step I need to take next digit down, that is 6. Then it will become 176. After that I need to check 24 into which number equals 176. That we can do it here. 24 fours are 96, we got, right? 24 fours are 96. Then we need to check 24 into bigger number we can give it. 24 into 5 we can give. 24 into 5. 5 fours are 22. Then 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 120 only. Again I need to multiply by what? 24 into 6. 6 fours are 24. 2. Then 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 144 only. Then I need to check 24 into 7 is what? 24 into 7. 7 fours are 28. 8 2 is the carryover. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 2 16. 168 we got, right? Then simply we can check 24 into 8 also. That is greater than this number only, but we can check. 8 fours are 32. 3. Then 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 3 is what? 19. See, we got two numbers 168 and 192. Which one is bigger there? Which one is smaller than this number only? 168. So we need to take 24 into 7 equals what? 7 equals 168. And 6 minus 8 is not possible. So I need to borrow 1 from here. It should become what? 6. And it will become 16. And here is 8. Okay. And one more is, I need to take next digit also down. Our division is not complete, right? Next digit is what? 7. It will become 87. After that I need to check 24 into which number equals 87. 24 3s are what? 24 3s are 4 3s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 72. 24 3s are 72. Then subtract, you will get 5. Here is 1. And here I got what only as quotient? 1373. And divisor is what? 24. And remainder is what? 15. I need to check my answer is correct or wrong in the division, right? How can I check? Quotient into divisor plus remainder, you need to get what? Dividend. If you are getting it like that, your answer is correct in division, right? Otherwise, your answer is wrong in the division. Okay. Then I can check. First, I need to write the formula, right? Formula for checking is what? Quotient. Short form only, quotient into divisor plus remainder. I need to get what? Dividend. Dividend. Quotient, here quotient is what? 1373 into 24 plus 15. That I can do it here. 1373 into 24 only, right? Into 24 I will write. 24. 4 3s are 12. 1. 7 4s are 28 plus 1 29. 2 is carry over, right? 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 1. 4 1s are 1. 4 plus 1 5. First step is over. Second step, we need to consider which digit only? This 2 only. Then 2 3s are what? 6. That I need to start it from where only? Tens place to the left only. Then 3 2s are what? 6. Next numbers are 7 into 2. 7 2s are what? 14. I need to write 4 here and 1 as carry over. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1? 7. Then 2 1s are 2. After that I need to add. In the multiplication we need to use addition. And in the division we need to use subtraction. Is it clear? And I simply put 1 0 here. Nothing is in one's place, right? 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 6, 15. The carryover is 1. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 5, 12. Then 1, 3. I got what only? 32,952. But remainder is what? I need to add that also, right? Okay, I will add it like that. 32,952 plus 15. Answer is 7, 6, 9, 2, 3. What only I got? 32,967. That is the dividend, right? That means my answer is correct in the division, right? Is it? You also need to check your answer in the division always. Then only you know is it correct or wrong, right? 32,967. And it is what? What is it? This one is dividend. Dividend. Is it clear? Division checking. Is it clear only, children? Yeah. The next number is 12,686 divided by 51. Bigger number only, right? Yeah. That I will write 12,686 divided by 51. Here you need to check. First number is what? 1. 1 is less than the divisor. So I need to consider 2-digit numbers. 2 digits are what? 12. First 2 digits are 12 only. Again that is also less than 51. What I want to do? I need to consider first 3 digits together. That will become what? 126. After that I need to take which multiplication table only? Divisors multiplication table. That is 51. 51 ones are 51. 51 twos we can check it here. 51 twos are what? 2 ones are 2. 5 twos are 10. 102. We need to get what? Which number only? 126. We got what here? And 51 into 2, that is 102. 51 threes are, that is bigger than 126. So I need to take what? 51 twos are 102. Answer is what? 4. And 2 minus 0. 0 is subtracted from any number. You will get what? Same number itself. 2. 1 minus 1? 0. And for this step, I need to take 1 digit down. It will become 248. After that, again I need to take which multiplication table only? Divisors multiplication table. 51 twos I got 102. I need to check how much is the 248. 51 into which number? 51 into 4 we can check because bigger number only, right? 4 ones are 4, 5 fours are 20. Is it? 51 fives are, that is bigger than this number. So I need to take what? 51 4. 51 fours are 204. Is it? Then I need to subtract 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. I need to take next digit down, that is 6. It will become what? 446. Is it? 446. Again I need to check. I need to take 51 into which number I will get this. 51 fours I got it here. Then 446 bigger number only, right? I need to check it with the 51 into 6. 6 ones are 6. 5 6 are 30. Again I need to write 51 into 8 I need to check. 8 ones are 8. 8 fives are 40. Then 51 into 9. 9 ones are 9. 5 nines are 45. Which number I want to take? 51 nines are 459. Then I need to take what only here? That is what? 51 into 8. 408. 51 eights are 408. Okay, here 6 is less than 8. So I need to borrow 1 from here. It will become 3. Okay, 16 minus 8, 8. 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. Remainder is what? 38. Quotient is what? 248. And the divisor is what? 51. And checking is how only? Okay. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. I need to get what? Dividend. Okay, here quotient is what? 248 into divisor is what? 51 plus 38. I will check. 248 into 51 is what? 248 into 51. For the here we have 2 digits in the multiplier, right? So that means we need to write how much steps? 2 steps. And first step we need to consider 1 only. 1 8s are what? 8. 4 1s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Then second step, 4 by which digit only? 5. Then 5 8s are what? 40. 0. 4 is carry over. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 4. And 2 is carry over. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Plus sign. Okay, here simply I put 1 0 here. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 2, 1. Which number only I got? 12,648. But I need to add this number also, remainder also. Plus 38. 8 plus 8, 16. 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Then 6, 12. 12,686 I got. That means my answer is correct in the division, right? Is it? Yeah. 12,686. That is what? That is what? Dividend. Is it clear, children? Okay. Then next one, 30,045. 30,045 divided by what? 25. I will give you 30,045 divided by 25. Here first digit is what? 3 only. 3 is less than 25. So I need to consider which digit? 2 digits number. 2 digits number, that is what? 30. 25 into which number equals 30? 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are what? 50. So I need to take which number only? 25 ones are 25. Again I need to subtract here. Then it will become 10 and it will become 2. And 10 minus 5 is what? 5. 2 minus 2, 0. For each and every step I need to take one digit down. That digit is 0 here. Then 25 into which number equals 50? 25 twos are 50. 0. Then next step, for the next step, next digit down, that is 4. See this here? Next digit down, a remainder is 0 and next digit is 4. That 4 is less than the divisor. We can't do anything with this. Is it? We need to make it as bigger number. How only? We need to take one more digit down. Is it possible? For each and every step you can take only one digit. If you want to take one more digit from there, you need to put what here? What you need to put here? Which number you need to put here? 0. After putting 0, you need to take this digit also down. Don't forget, children. See this. Here we take this digit also down, right? But we got only 4. 4 is less than this divisor. So what can we do? We can't do anything. So I need to take one more digit down. That I can't take it like that. For each and every step I can take one digit down. If I want to take one more digit down, I need to take I need to put which number in the quotient? 0 in the quotient. After that I can take next digit also down. Is it? Then it will become bigger number, right? And 25 into which number is 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. That is greater than this. So I need to take 25 ones are 25. Subtract, you will get 0, 2. Remainder is 20. Is it clear? Quotient with a 0. Okay. First digit 5, 25 ones are 25. Remainder is 5. Next digit down, that is 50. 25 twos are 50. And the remainder is 0. And I need to take one digit down for each step, right? Then that digit is 4. But that 4 is less than this divisor. So I can't do anything there. How can I do this? I need to make this number bigger. That for that I need to take this digit also down. But I can't simply take it like that. How can I take? I need to put 1 0 in the quotient, then only I can take the next digit down. Is it? Then it will become 45. 45 is okay for us because 25 into which number equals 45? 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. 50 is greater than 45, so I need to take 25 ones are 25. And the remainder is what? 20. Then I need to check my answer is correct or wrong in the division, right? How can I check it like that? Okay, I'll do checking. Checking, right? Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, quotient is what? 1201 into divisor is what? 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 into 0, 0, 5 twos are 10, 0, 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1, 6. First digit, first step is over. Then second step, 2 ones are 2. That I can start it from tens place to the left only. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. Then 2 ones are 2. Addition. I simply put 1 0 here. Nothing is in ones place for the second step, right? That's why I simply put 1 0 in the ones place. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 0, 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 4, 10. Then 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. And the remainder is what? 30,025 plus remainder, that is 54003. And the which number I got? 30,045. Is it? That is what? Dividend. My answer is correct in this division also, right? Is it? Yeah. The next one is 60,582. 60,582 divided by 87. That I will give. 60,582 divided by 87. Okay. Then I will give. Here 87 is the divisor and first digit number 6, that is less than this. So I need to consider first two digits together, that is what? 60. And again that is also less than this. So I need to take what? 605. First three digits together only. Is it clear? First digit is less than this, so I need to consider first two digits together. That is also less than this, so I need to consider first three digits together. Which number is that? 605. 87 into which number equals 605? I will multiply here 87 into, I simply put it like, because bigger number only 605. I simply check it with the 5. 87 into 5 is what? We don't know. That's why we need to check. 7 5s are 35. 3. Then 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 3. 435 only. Again we need to check it with a bigger number, right? 87 into 7 I can check. 7 7s are 49. 4. Then 8 7s are 56 plus 4 is what? 56 plus 4 is 60. Okay, 609. That is greater than this. So I need to consider what? 87 into 6. 87 into 6 I need to check. 6 7s are 42. 4. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4 what? 52. 6 7s are 42. 2. 4. The 4 is carry over. Then 8 6 are 48 plus 4 is what? 52. Which number I got? 522. So 87 into 6, 522. 87 into 5, 435. 87 into 7, 609. Which number I want to check? Tell me. That is 522 only, less than this. 435 is less than this, but that is 2 less only, right? That's why we need to take just below number only we need to take. Okay? That's why I need to take 87 into 6. 87 into 6 is what? 522. Again subtract, that is 3. 0 is less than 2. So I need to borrow 1 from here. It should become 10. Okay? 83 is the remainder. And then for each and every step I need to take 1 digit down, that is 8. Now our number is what? 838. 87 into which number equals 838? 838 is the bigger number, right? So I can check it with 9. Okay. 87 into 9 I will check. 87 into 9. 9 7s are 63, 6. 8 7s are, 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 6 is what? 78. Okay, and 783 I got. Then 87 into 10 is what? 870. So I need to take which number? 783 into 9 equals what? 783. Again I subtract. This number is 13 and this number is 7. Then this one is 5. Okay, for each and every step I need to take one digit down. You need to put one arrow also, right? 2. And 87 into which number? I rub that, otherwise I know which number. 87 into 4 we can check. 4 7s are 8 4s are 32 plus 2 34. Then 87 into 5 I can check. 7 5s are 35, 3, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3, 435. Again I need to check. 87 into 6 is what? 6 7s are 42, 4, 8 6 are 48 plus 4 is what? 52. See, 87 into 6 is what? That is 522. That we can take. 87 into 6 equals 522. You need to multiply with each and every digit like that. Is it? After that you need to take just below number. Okay. 2 minus 2 is 0 and here 3. 0. Remainder is what? 30 only, right? Remainder is 30. Okay. Again, I need to check my answer is correct or wrong. Division checking. Checking is how only? Checking quotient into divisor plus remainder equals dividend. Okay. Then quotient is what? 696 into 87. Okay, 6 sevens are what? 42, 4 here. Then 9 sevens are 63 plus 4 is what? 67, 6. 6 sevens are what? 42. 42 plus what? 42 plus 6. 48. Then 8 6 are 48. 4. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 4, 76. Then 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 7 is what? 48 plus 7 is 55. I simply put. Then okay, 60,552 plus remainder is what? 30. 28506. My answer is correct. So I got the dividend here. That means my answer is correct in the division, right? Is it? Then after one more number. Okay. Thank you. Fifth one I will give. 46,943 divided by 58. Okay, and first digit is 4 and we need to 4 is less than this, so we need to consider 2 digits together, that is 46. Again 46 is less than this, so we need to consider 3 digits together, that is 469. 58 into which number equals 469? 58 into 5, we can check. 8 5s are 40, 5 5s are 25 plus 4 29. So 58 into bigger number we can check, 7. 406. 58 into 8. 8 8s are 64, 6. Okay, yeah. Then 58 into 8 equals what? 58 into 8 equals 464 and the remainder is 5. For each and every step we need to take one digit down. Here see this, I took 4 here, but it will become what? 54. That 54 is less than this divisor. So I told you, right? I told you in the first problem, right? What we want to do? We need to put we need to take one more digit down. Is it possible, children? How can it be possible? So first we need to put 1 0 in the quotient. After that I need to take one more digit down. Then it will become what? 543. 58 into 8 we got 464. Then we need to check 58 into 9. 8 9s are 72. 5 9s are 45 plus 7 is what? 522. 58 9s are what? 58 9s are 522, right? Is it? 9 8s are 72. 2 7 there. 7 is the carryover. Then 5 9s are 45 plus 7 is what? 52. Then 58 9s are 522, right? Remainder is 120. Remainder is what? 21. So I need to check my answer is correct or wrong, right? I will not write the formula, that you can do it, right? Then I will check only. Quotient, here quotient is what? 809 into 58, divisor, okay. 8 9s are 72, 7. 8 into 0, 0, 0, but 7 is there, 7. 8 8s are 64. 5 9s are 45, 4. 5 into 0, 0, but I need to write this 4 there. 8 5s are what? 40. Simply put 1 0 here. After that add 2. Okay. Then I need to add which digit also? 46,922 plus what? Remainder is what? 21. 3, 4, 9, 6, 4. Answer is what? Dividend only. Which number I got? I got dividend only. That means my answer is correct in the division, right? Yeah. Then next one. 3,57,000. You don't want this bigger number, right? Then we will go for the next one. Okay. Write the next. 49,872 divided by 68. That I will give 49,872 divided by 68. Okay, here 4 is less than this. So I need to consider 49. Again 49 is also less than this. So I need to consider what? 498. 68 into which number equals 498? Simply check. 68 into which number we want to check? Simply I write for it. You can check it with any number. But you need to understand one thing. If you want to get bigger number, you need to multiply by bigger numbers. Otherwise, you want to start it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, right? Instead of taking like that, you need to check is it bigger number or smaller number. Bigger number means I need to multiply the 68 with a bigger digit only. I will get the number 498. So I guess it and do it like that. 68 into 4. Okay. 8 4s are 32. 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is what? 27. Answer is 272. But I need to get which number only? 498 only. So I need to multiply by 7. 8 7s are 56. 5. 6 7s are 42 plus 5. 47. Is it? And simply check 68 into 8 also. 8 8s are 64. 6. 6 8s are 48 plus 6 is what? 54. 544. Which number I need to take it here? Just below number only, right? 68 into 7 equals 476. Subtract 2, 2, 0. For each and every step I need to take one digit down. It will become 227. Here children, listen here. 68 into 4 you got this much number. That means you need to multiply by what? We need to get what? 227. So I need to multiply by 68 into 3. We can check. 8 3s are 24, 2. 6 3s are 18 plus 2. 204. 68 into 3 equals 204. 68 into 4 equals 272. Which number you need to take? 68 into 3. 204. Subtract 3. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. For next step, I need to take this digit down. You put R also, then you will understand how many digits I take it down only, right? And 232. 68 into which number equals 232? See this? 68 into 3 equals 204. 68 into 4 equals 272. I need to take which number only? 68 into 3. 204. Okay. Then subtraction. 2 is less than. So we need to borrow 1 from here. It will become 1. 8. Then 2. 0. 28. Okay, remainder. Again I need to check my answer is correct or wrong. How? Quotient into divisor plus remainder. I need to get what? Dividend. Okay. Then quotient is what? 733 into 68. 8 3s are here. And how many digits are there in the multiplier? 2. That means 2 steps in the multiplication, right? First we need to multiply by 8. 8 3s are 24. 2. Then 3 8s are 24 plus 2 is what? 26. 2. 7 8s are 56 plus 2 is 58. Is it? 8 3s are 24, 4 2. Then 8 3s are 24 plus 2 26. 6 2 is carry over. 7 8s are 56 plus 2 is 58. First step is over. Second step is 6 3s are 18. 1. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. 1 is carry over. Then 7 6 are 42 plus 1 is what? 42 plus 1 is 43. Then 4, 8 plus 6, 14, 4 and 1 is carry over. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 4. I got 49,844. I need to add which number also? 49,844 plus 28. The 28 is the remainder, right? If you add remainder also, you will get dividend. 8 plus 4, 12. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 8, 9, 4. 49,872. Which number I got? See children, that is dividend. My answer is correct in the division, right? Yes. Okay, I will give this also. After that, I will give you some homeworks. 86,243. 89. First digit is 8. 8 is less than this. So, we need to consider 2 digits together. That is 86. 86 is less than this. So, I need to consider 3 digits together. 862. 862. 89 into which number equals? Bigger number only I need to get. That's why 89 into 8. First I will check it like that. 8 9s are 72. 7. 8 8s are 64 plus 7 is what? That is 71. 712. Then 89 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 8 9s are 72 plus 8, 80. 801. 89 into 10 equals what? 890 only. That we don't want. We want to take what? 889 into 9. 89 into 9 you will get what? 89 into 9 you will get 801 only. 801. 9 9s are 81. 1 8. 8 9s are 72 plus 8 is 80. 89 into 9 equals 801. Okay, then after that subtraction, 2 minus 1, 1, 6 minus 0, 6, 8 minus 8, 0. For the next step, I need to take 4 down. It will become what? 614. 89 into 8 is this 712. So, I need to consider 89 into 6. I will check it like that. 54, 5, 8, 6 are 48 plus 5 is what? Okay, 534. 89 into 7 also I can check. 7. 9 7s are 63, 6. 8 7s are 56 plus 6 is what? 62. That is greater than this. So 89 into 7 is greater than this. So I need to take what? 89 into 6. 89 into 6 equals what? 534. and here 1 is less than. So I need to borrow 1 from here. It should become 11. Okay, and answer remainder is 80. I need to check my answer is correct or wrong in division. Children, it is very easy for the division, right? But one condition is you should learn multiplication table, otherwise you can't do anything in division, right? Okay, I will check it with the quotient 96. Oh, one more digit is there, right? Okay, yeah, we didn't consider this number, right? You must be careful in the division, right? First we need to check. Yeah, we need to take one more digit down, that is 803. Okay, and 89 into which number equals what? 89 into 7. 7 nines are, okay, 600. Then 89 into 9 we can check. 9 nines are 81, 8. 8 nines are 72 plus 8, 80. 801. 89 nines are what? 801. Remainder is 2 only. Now we finish our division because we took the last digit also down. Okay, you must be careful, and okay, and then we need to check our answer is correct or wrong. How only? Quotient into divisor plus remainder. I need to get what? Dividend. Quotient is what? 969 into 89. 9 nines are 81. 8. 6 nines are 54 plus 8 is what? Then 6. Then 9 nines are 81 plus 6 is 87. Is it correct? 9 nines are 81. 1, 8. 8 is carry over. 6 nines are 54 plus 8 is what? 54 plus 8 is 62. 2, 6. Then 9 nines are 81 plus 6, 87. 8 nines are 72. That I need to write it here. Then 7. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 7 is what? 55. Then 5. 9 8s are 72 plus 5. Okay. Then add 1, 4. Okay, 86,241. But I need to add this remainder also. 86,241 plus 2. 3, 4, 2, 6, 8. Which number I got? I got 86,243. See, check. That is dividend, right? My answer is correct. Okay, then. After that, I will give you some homework questions. That is easy for you, right? You need for 19,498 divided by 49. How only you can do? First, you need to consider first digit number, that is 1. That is less than 49. So, you need to consider 2 digits together, 19. Then 19 is also less than this. So, we need to consider what? 3 digits together, 194. After that, you need to check 49 into which number I will get 194. You will not get the exact number, then you want to decide what you need to take just below number. Is it clear? Division is clear? Okay.